Isa sa mga basic math topics na dapat mong gamayin is laws of exponent. So kung gusto mo matutunan, panoorin mo ito. Meron tayong 8 laws of exponent. So, isa-isahin natin sila and give tayo ng examples. The multiplication rule in the form a raised to x times a raised to y is equal to a raised to x plus y. Yes, same yung base. So, copy and add the exponent. Example, 2 raised to x times 2 raised to 2 is equal to, copy yung base and add the exponent. Yan. Another example, 5 raised to x times 25 is equal to, yes, 25, we can write it as 5 squared. So now, same base, copy and add the exponent. We have x plus 2. Another example, 3 raised to x plus 2 times 27. Yes, we can write 27 as 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3. Now, same base, copy, then add the exponent. X plus 2 plus 3. We can simplify this as 3 raised to x plus 5. And this is the second law of exponent. Division rule in the form a to the x divided by a to the y is equal to a to the x minus y. Yes, same ulit yung base nila, pareho a. So pag nagdi-divide tayo ng same base, ima-minus lang yung exponent. So give tayo ng example. Kunwari, 3 to the x over 3 to the 5. Yes, this is divide. This is equal to, since same yung base, ima-minus lang natin yung exponent. Another example, 7 raised to x plus 2 over 7 raised to 2x minus 6. So, paano ba natin ito ma-solve? Since same yung base, copy, and ima-minus natin kasi divide. So, x plus 2 minus 2x minus 6. And this is the answer. So, kahit wag na muna natin siya i-simplify. So, next rule. The next rule is the power of a power. Yes, dalawang power. In the form a to the x raised to y is equal to a to the xy or a to the y raised to x. Nagkapalitan lang sila. Example, x to the 5 raised to 6 is equal to, yes, imumultiply mo lang sila. We have x to the 30. Next example, we have, yes, pwede din natin tong i-multiply. 1/2 times 3 is 3/2. Or, pwede din natin yan ipagpalit na dalawa. So, we have, pwede natin tong isulat as x cubed square root. Then this is the answer. The fourth rule is the power of a product. In the form a times b raised to x is equal to a to the x, b to the x. Mali yung notation ko. Sulat. Example, if we have 2a raised to 3, this can be written as 2 to the third and a to the third. So, pwede natin ma-simplify. 2 to the third is 8. So, this is the answer. And another, we have 5x raised to 2. We have 5 squared, x squared. 5 squared is 25, x squared. And this is the answer. The fifth rule is power of a fraction rule. In the form a over b raised to x is equal to a raised to x over b raised to x. Example, 3 over 5 raised to 2. So we can simplify it by as 3 squared 5 squared. So we have 9/25. And this is the answer. Next example is, kunwari meron tayong 2a over 5. So, raised to 3. You can simplify it as magiging 2 cube is 8 and a cube over 5 raised to 3 is 125. And this is the answer. The sixth rule is zero exponent. In the form a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Example, 100 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Yes, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1 million, 1 million. Ay, 100 million na. 100 million raised to 0 is equal to 1. E raised to 0 is 1. Pi raised to 0 is 1. And that's all. Seventh rule is negative exponent. In the form a raised to negative x is equal to 1 over a to the x. This negative corresponds to 1 over. And walang nangyari, kinapi ko lang sa baba. Example, 2 to the x ay negative x is equal to, yes, negative is just heto. And kakopy natin yung, ayan, nawala lang yung negative. Another, e to the negative 3x is equal to, okay, yung negative is ganito and copy lang natin yung, yan, yun. Another, 5 raised to x is equal to negative 6. We have 1 over 4, negative lang yan, and sulat na natin yan, raised to 6. And we are done. The last law of exponent is the fractional exponent. In the form a raised to x over y is equal to y root of a raised to x. Example, 2 raised to 1/2 is equal to 2. X is 1 and square root is, yung sa labas is 2. So, we can write it as 2. And pag square root is, pwede natin siyang, pag 2 ito, pwede natin tong isulat na ganito. Invisible na yung 2. Example ulit, 5 raised to 2 over 5. We can write it as 5 and exponent of 2 and the 5th root. So we can write it as 25. And this is the answer. Another, 3 raised to 1/2. We have 3 raised to 1 and ilalabas natin yung 2. And since understood natin na pag 2 ang nasa labas, yung index, pwede na natin siyang hindi isulat. No, eto na lang and same lang naman yan. So, that's all. Sana natuto kayo.